Yeah, see you. Listen.
It's divine.
Napiga luku kama ni ndula nina designer. Ndula ni fresh sitoka China. Tena ni
Hi guys, how you doing? Today I'm shooting this on Tuesday and I'm gonna shoot another episode right after this one. But I thought I should start a mini segment and say what? Let's have some coffee. And I love coffee so much. So much. So much, you have no idea. And it's so cold in Nairobi. So I thought, why not have some coffee before I start shooting the main lecture, which is what? Channels. So it's gonna be a short video, so let's make some coffee. Oh, while my coffee is making itself, today I want to talk about something that I've noticed a lot of entrepreneurs keep misinterpreting, people keep misinterpreting, and I'd like to unpack some terminologies we use when talking about our business. So before that, I'm gonna give a quote from guess whose book, and this book just goes for 700 bucks. The quote says, "Fight for your place in the world and you'll earn it." Fight for your place in the world and you'll earn it. This is the most perfect quote that has allowed me to start the conversation about the following two things. Every time you ask an entrepreneur, what are you doing? What are you working on? They'll keep saying, they give you a lot of words. Like on Saturday, I was having a meeting with some amazing ladies who came to visit here, and this was the conversation. And I started telling them about the lecture we had guys, the customer segment and all that, and the problem. And then one said, so I need to find my niche. And I almost cringe. She need keep confusing need or problem and niche. And today I want to unpack that. The opposite of niche is mass. Are we together? Niche is mass. Need has two opposites, gain and pain, depending on what your business is trying to solve or problem. So, as an entrepreneur, you do not need to find your niche. Remember, it is your work to find a problem in a population and then fix it with a solution. So, remember, we'll always be linking our conversation in that thinking. So, example, you would see when someone says they need to find my niche in the market, they always try to imply they need to find why they exist. But that is them trying to say I need to find my clients in the market. And then identify the problem they have and start serving them. That's not niche. Opposite of niche is mass market. Niche market is like a problem whereby a very specific group of people have a certain challenges or needs or wants that your product or service could cater for. And then mass, it means it is a large pool of people who have the same challenge, and your product or service could fix it. So whatever you're thinking of, your niche is it's not why you exist. It's why you exist, yes, but your niche should not be how you start thinking about your business. We should always strive. Remember what you said about good practices in working for when you're starting your business. You need to find a problem. Then find people in the population who think your solution is best for them. And sometimes that could be a very, very small number of people, which becomes a niche market, or it could be a large population, which becomes what? Mass market. Usually, new products are usually introduced in niches. Like, for example, I woke up in the morning and I realized I am so obsessed with this book by my big bro, Success is a Choice. And I realized if I could buy this book in bulk, and walk around talking to young adults, because my brother is he is an educator, and talk to young adults, people in high school, people in campus, and sell these coffees from them. That would be what? A very niche market. And remember, this book is saying success is a choice. So it is a very revolutionary topic, because we are all being taught to think we'll all succeed, or success is a must. But what if we approach success as a choice? So that is a very niche market. I am going to capture the attention of people who think they could go out in the world and get successful, but through a choice. Or mass market. So how will this same book end up in the mass market? Any product can evolve and become a mass market product. So for example, I started a very small group of people, and then I realized along the way that the whole Kenya realizes, this is an amazing book. We need to make it a set book in our schools. That's which the book goes from very niche to it's catering for all high schoolers, all people in campus. So it's catering for a very large group of people as much as possible. So it's catering for like for half our students. So you see that changes the category of the product. And then as the evolution goes by, this book is introduced to what? Our primary school students. So it ends up becoming what? All pupils are consuming the same product. So let's talk about mass market. Mass market is usually when you have identified a product that would cater for a large pool of people. Very large pool of people. And these people actually love the product the way it is designed. They love the delivery system or your distribution system, and the price point is right. Example, cars right now are in our mass market. Okay, think about cars. But Tesla is still a car brand, but it's the niche market. So anything could happen, but do not ever tell someone, I need to find my niche. No. You need to find your problem and link it to clients. You remember when I said class 1, we need to find our why do we exist. And I don't even sip my coffee, but I'm going to go for a coffee break and start shooting channels. Enjoy your evening, guys. Bye.